Insight IDR Online Training. Introduction to Insight IDR, Overview and Key Features. Overview. Insight IDR is a comprehensive security information and event management (CM) solution developed by Rapid7. It is designed to provide organizations with advanced threat detection, incident response, and security visibility across their IT environments. Insight IDR integrates various data sources to offer a unified view of security events, helping security teams detect, investigate, and respond to threats more effectively. Key features: Unified security visibility. Log management collects and aggregates logs from various sources, including endpoints, network devices, and cloud environments. This centralized log management enables comprehensive analysis and correlation of security events. Data sources integration supports integration with a wide range of data sources such as firewalls, antivirus software, cloud platforms, and more, providing a holistic view of the security landscape. Advanced threat detection. Behavioral analytics uses machine learning and advanced analytics to detect anomalies and suspicious activities that may indicate a potential threat. This includes monitoring user behavior, network traffic, and system activities. Threat intelligence integration leverages threat intelligence feeds to identify known threats and indicators of compromise, IOCs, enhancing the ability to detect emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Incident response and management. Automated response automates responses to detected threats, such as blocking malicious IP addresses or isolating compromised devices, reducing the time to contain and remediate incidents. Investigation tools provides tools for detailed investigations, including visualizations of attack paths, timeline analysis, and forensic capabilities to trace and understand the impact of security incidents. User and Entity Behavior Analytics (UBA). Anomaly detection monitors user and entity behavior to detect deviations from established norms, which can indicate insider threats or compromised accounts. Risk scoring assigns risk scores to users and entities based on their behavior and activities, helping prioritize investigation efforts. Security Operations Center (SOC) enablement. Dashboard and reporting offers customizable dashboards and reporting features to present security data and metrics in an actionable format. This includes real-time alerts, trend analysis, and executive summaries. Collaboration tools facilitates collaboration among security team members with features for case management, task assignments, and communication. Cloud and hybrid environment support. Cloud security monitoring extends monitoring capabilities to cloud environments, including AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, ensuring visibility and security across both on-premises and cloud-based assets. Getting started with Insight IDR, Setup and Configuration. Getting started with Insight IDR, a security information and event management (CM) tool by Rapid7, involves a few key steps to set up and configure the system. Here's a general guide. 1. Account setup. Sign up. If you haven't already, sign up for Insight IDR on the Rapid7 website. Log in. Access the Insight IDR portal with your credentials. 2. Initial configuration. Add your assets. Start by adding your network assets, including servers, workstations, and other devices. This helps InsightIDR understand what you're monitoring. Configure data collection. Set up data collectors to gather logs and events from various sources. You'll need to install Insight agents on endpoints to collect data. Configure syslog or other log forwarding methods for network devices, servers, and applications. 3. Connect data sources. Integrate log sources. Connect InsightIDR to your various log sources such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and cloud services. This integration is crucial for comprehensive monitoring. API integration. Use APIs to pull in data from other security tools or platforms. 4. Set up alerts and rules. Define alert criteria. Create rules and thresholds for generating alerts based on the collected data. InsightIDR provides predefined rules that you can customize. Configure notification channels. Set up notifications to alert your team via email, SMS, or other communication methods when specific events occur. 5. Dashboard and reporting. Customize dashboards. Configure dashboards to visualize key metrics and incidents. InsightIDR offers customizable widgets and views to help you track what's important. Generate reports. Set up scheduled reports to keep stakeholders informed about security events, trends, and compliance status. 6. Tune and optimize. Review and adjust. Regularly review your configurations and rules to ensure they are effective. Adjust thresholds and rules as needed based on the evolving threat landscape and organizational needs. Update data sources. As your environment grows or changes, make sure to update your data sources and integrations accordingly. 7. Training and support. Utilize documentation. Refer to Rapid7's official documentation and support resources for detailed guidance and troubleshooting. Join the community. Engage with the InsightIDR community or forums for additional support and best practices. User Behavior Analytics (UBA) in InsightIDR. User Behavior Analytics (UBA) in InsightIDR is a powerful feature designed to enhance security monitoring by analyzing and identifying anomalous behavior within user activities. Here's an overview of how it works and its benefits. How UBA works in InsightIDR. Data collection. InsightIDR collects a broad range of data from various sources, including logs, network traffic, and user activities. This data includes login patterns, file access, application usage, and more. Behavior baseline creation. The system establishes a baseline of normal user behavior by analyzing historical data. This includes typical login times, frequent access points, and usual data handling patterns. Anomaly detection. UBA uses machine learning algorithms to detect deviations from the established baseline. If a user's behavior significantly deviates from their normal pattern, it can be flagged as a potential threat. For example, logging in from an unusual location or accessing an abnormal volume of sensitive data. Risk scoring. Detected anomalies are assigned a risk score based on their severity and the potential impact. This helps prioritize which incidents to investigate first. Alerting and investigation. When an anomaly is detected, Insight IDR generates alerts that can be used to trigger investigations. Security teams can drill down into the specifics of the anomalous behavior to determine if it represents a real threat. Contextual analysis. Insight IDR correlates anomalies with other security data, like threat intelligence feeds and network traffic, to provide a comprehensive view of potential threats and their context. Benefits of UBA in Insight IDR. Early threat detection. By identifying deviations from normal behavior, UBA can detect potential threats before they escalate, such as insider threats or compromised accounts. Reduced false positives. UBA helps reduce the number of false positives by focusing on behavior that is truly anomalous rather than relying solely on known threat signatures. Improved incident response. With contextualized alerts and risk scoring, security teams can respond more effectively and efficiently to potential incidents. Behavioral insights. UBA provides insights into user behavior patterns, helping organizations understand normal usage and better identify when something is amiss. Adaptive learning. The system continuously updates its understanding of normal behavior, adapting to changes in user activities and reducing the chances of missed threats. Leveraging network traffic analysis in Insight IDR. Leveraging network traffic analysis in Insight IDR involves using network traffic data to enhance security monitoring, threat detection, and incident response. Here's how you can effectively utilize network traffic analysis within Insight IDR. 1. Data collection and integration. Integrate network devices. Ensure that network devices such as firewalls, routers, and switches are integrated with Insight IDR. This integration allows for the collection of network traffic data, which is crucial for analysis. Log sources. Configure log sources to forward network traffic logs to Insight IDR. Common log sources include network appliances, VPNs, and proxy servers. 2. Traffic analysis and visualization. Dashboard views. Use Insight IDR's dashboards to visualize network traffic patterns. These visualizations can help identify unusual or suspicious activities. Traffic analytics. Leverage built-in analytics to monitor traffic for anomalies, such as unusual spikes in data or unfamiliar destinations. 3. Threat detection and correlation. Behavioral analytics. Insight IDR uses behavioral analytics to detect deviations from normal network behavior. This can help identify potential threats such as lateral movement or data exfiltration. Correlation rules. Set up correlation rules to identify suspicious patterns that may indicate a security incident. For example, correlate outbound traffic to unusual IP addresses with other security events. 4. Incident response and investigation. Traffic flows. Use network traffic data to investigate security incidents. For example, if a suspicious activity is detected, analyze the related traffic flows to understand the scope and impact. Forensic analysis. Perform forensic analysis to trace the origin and path of the attack. This can help in understanding how the attack was executed and what vulnerabilities were exploited. 5. Alerting and automation. Custom alerts. Create custom alerts based on specific network traffic patterns. For instance, set alerts for traffic spikes to known malicious IP addresses. Automated responses. Implement automated responses to certain network traffic patterns. For example, automatically block traffic to a suspicious IP address. 6. Continuous monitoring and improvement. Regular reviews. Regularly review and update network traffic analysis rules and dashboards based on new threat intelligence and changes in network architecture. Feedback loop. Use insights gained from network traffic analysis to improve security policies and configurations, and to refine detection rules and response strategies. 7. Compliance and reporting. Compliance reporting. Leverage network traffic analysis data for compliance reporting. InsightIDR can help generate reports required for regulatory compliance by highlighting network security postures and incidents. Incident investigation and response with InsightIDR. Incident investigation and response with InsightIDR. Rapid7's cloud-based security information and event management (CM) tool involves several key steps and features designed to help security teams efficiently detect, investigate, and respond to security incidents. Here's a detailed overview. 1. Incident detection. Log collection. InsightIDR aggregates logs from various sources, including endpoints, network devices, cloud environments, and identity systems. Behavioral analytics uses machine learning and behavioral analysis to detect anomalies and potential threats that deviate from normal patterns. Threat intelligence integrates with threat intelligence feeds to identify indicators of compromise, IOCs, and known threat actors. 2. Investigation. Centralized dashboard provides a unified view of security events, incidents, and alerts. This includes timelines of events, affected assets, and potential indicators of compromise. Contextual data enriches security alerts with contextual information such as asset details, user activity, and historical data to aid in investigation. Search and query allows users to search through logs and events using a powerful query language to pinpoint relevant information. 3. Response. Automated response actions integrates with other security tools and platforms to automate responses such as blocking IP addresses, isolating affected systems, or disabling user accounts. Playbooks provides predefined response playbooks that guide security teams through standardized incident response procedures. Incident management facilitates tracking and management of incidents from detection to resolution, including documenting steps taken, decisions made, and lessons learned. 4. Reporting and analysis. Incident reports generates detailed reports on incidents, including timelines, affected systems, and remediation steps taken. Post-incident analysis offers tools for post-incident analysis to understand the root cause, impact, and effectiveness of the response, helping improve future defenses. 5. Integration and collaboration. Integration with other tools connects with other security tools and platforms such as threat intelligence services, endpoint protection solutions, and IT service management (ITSM) systems. Collaboration features supports collaboration among team members through shared workspaces, comments, and task assignments. 6. Continuous improvement. Feedback loop incorporates feedback and lessons learned from each incident to refine detection rules, response procedures, and overall security posture. Training and simulation provides tools for training and simulating security incidents to prepare teams for real-world scenarios. Log management and collection in InsightIDR. InsightIDR by Rapid7 is a robust security information and event management (CM) solution that excels in log management and collection. Here's an overview of how InsightIDR handles these tasks. 1. Log collection. Agent-based collection. InsightIDR uses lightweight agents deployed on endpoints and servers to collect logs and security events. These agents capture a variety of data, including system logs, application logs, and security events, and send them to the InsightIDR platform. Network-based collection. InsightIDR can also collect logs from network devices by leveraging network traffic analysis. This is often done through integration with network sensors or by ingesting flow data from network devices. API integrations. For cloud-based services and other applications, InsightIDR supports API integrations that allow for seamless log collection. This includes cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP, as well as SaaS applications and other services. Log forwarding. Logs from various sources can be forwarded to InsightIDR from other CM systems or log management solutions. This helps in centralizing log data for comprehensive analysis. 2. Log management. Centralized log storage. InsightIDR provides a centralized repository for all collected logs. This makes it easier to manage and query logs across your entire environment from a single interface. Log parsing and normalization. InsightIDR parses and normalizes log data to make it consistent and easier to analyze. This involves extracting relevant fields and converting logs into a standardized format. Search and query. InsightIDR offers powerful search capabilities that allow you to quickly find and analyze specific log entries. This is crucial for investigating security incidents and conducting audits. Retention policies. You can configure log retention policies in InsightIDR to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements and manage storage costs. This includes setting up automatic log archival and deletion schedules. Dashboards and visualization. InsightIDR provides various dashboards and visualizations to help you monitor log data effectively. This includes pre-built dashboards for common use cases as well as customizable options. 3. Advanced features. Behavioral analytics. InsightIDR uses behavioral analytics to detect anomalies and potential threats based on the log data. This involves analyzing patterns and trends to identify suspicious activities. Automated response. Integration with automated response tools allows InsightIDR to take predefined actions based on specific log events or alerts. This helps in reducing response times and mitigating threats. Incident management. InsightIDR provides tools for managing and tracking incidents. You can correlate log data with other security events to understand the full context of an incident and coordinate your response efforts. Integration with threat intelligence. InsightIDR integrates with threat intelligence feeds to enhance log analysis. This helps in identifying known threats and improving the accuracy of alerts. Customizable dashboards and reporting in InsightIDR. InsightIDR, a security information and event management (CM) solution from Rapid7, provides robust features for customizable dashboards and reporting. Here's a detailed overview. Customizable dashboards. Drag and drop interface. InsightIDR offers a user-friendly drag and drop interface for creating custom dashboards. This allows users to easily select and arrange various widgets and visualizations to suit their needs. Pre-built widgets. The platform includes a variety of pre-built widgets that can display different types of data, such as graphs, tables, and charts. These widgets can be customized in terms of their appearance and the data they present. Dynamic filtering. Dashboards support dynamic filtering, enabling users to interactively adjust the view by applying filters based on time ranges, data types, or specific criteria. This helps in focusing on particular areas of interest. Real-time data. Dashboards can display real-time data, allowing users to monitor ongoing activities and threats as they happen. This is crucial for timely responses and decision-making. Custom visualization. Users can create custom visualizations to represent data in ways that are most meaningful for their specific use cases. This flexibility is key for addressing unique security monitoring needs. Customizable reporting. Report templates. InsightIDR provides customizable report templates that can be tailored to specific requirements. Users can modify these templates to include relevant data, visuals, and analysis. Automated scheduling. Reports can be scheduled to run automatically at specified intervals, example daily, weekly, monthly. This automation ensures that stakeholders receive regular updates without manual intervention. Data export options. Reports can be exported in various formats such as PDF, CSV, or Excel. This facilitates sharing and further analysis outside the platform. Custom report building. Users can build custom reports by selecting specific data sources, applying filters, and choosing the desired metrics and visualizations. This allows for tailored insights that meet specific reporting needs. Interactive reports. Some reports in InsightIDR are interactive, allowing users to drill down into the data for more detailed analysis. This interactivity helps in uncovering deeper insights and trends. Alerts and notifications. Reports can include alerts and notifications based on predefined thresholds or criteria. This feature helps in quickly identifying and responding to potential security issues. Integration capabilities of InsightIDR with other tools. InsightIDR, a security information and event management (CM) tool from Rapid7, offers robust integration capabilities with various tools to enhance its functionality and provide a more comprehensive security solution. Here's an overview of how InsightIDR integrates with other tools. 1. Cloud platforms. AWS. InsightIDR integrates with AWS CloudTrail, AWS GuardDuty, and AWS Security Hub to gather logs, monitor threats, and correlate cloud-related security events. Azure integration with Azure Security Center and Azure Sentinel allows for enhanced monitoring and response to security incidents within Azure environments. Google Cloud Insight IDR can ingest logs from Google Cloud Platform (GCP) services to provide visibility into GCP environments. 2. Endpoint protection. CrowdStrike provides integration to ingest endpoint data for comprehensive threat detection and response. Carbon Black allows for data enrichment and incident correlation from Carbon Black's endpoint protection platform. Symantec integrates with Symantec endpoint protection for improved visibility and response capabilities. 3. Network security. Firewalls Insight IDR integrates with various firewall solutions, example Palo Alto Networks, Cisco ASA, to gather and analyze network traffic logs. ID's IPS integration with intrusion detection and prevention systems, example Snort, Suricata, enhances the detection of suspicious activities and threats. 4. Identity and Access Management (IAM). Active Directory Insight IDR can integrate with Active Directory to monitor user logins, privilege changes, and other activities. Okta integrates with Okta for monitoring authentication events and access management. Azure AD provides integration with Azure Active Directory for user activity monitoring and analysis. 5. Ticketing and Incident Management. ServiceNow integration with ServiceNow enables automatic ticket creation and management for security incidents detected by Insight IDR. Jira allows for the creation and tracking of security issues in Jira, facilitating better collaboration between security teams and developers. 6. Threat Intelligence. Threat Intelligence feeds Insight IDR integrates with various threat intelligence providers, example VirusTotal, ThreatConnect, to enrich security data and enhance threat detection. 7. SIEM and Log Management. Splunk provides integration with Splunk for additional log analysis and correlation. ELK Stack Insight IDR can work alongside the ELK Stack, Elasticsearch, Logstash, Kibana for enhanced log management and visualization. 8. Cloud Security Posture Management (CSPM). Cloud Security Tools integrates with CSPM tools to assess and manage the security posture of cloud environments. 9. Automation and Orchestration. SOAR platforms Insight IDR integrates with security orchestration, automation, and response SOAR platforms, example Demisto, Swimlane, to automate responses and streamline security operations. Why choose ProExcellency for Insight IDR online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Insight IDR online training can offer several benefits. Expert instructors ProExcellency typically employs experienced instructors with deep knowledge of Insight IDR, ensuring that you receive high-quality instruction from professionals who are well-versed in the platform. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover all aspects of Insight IDR, including threat detection, incident response, and security analytics, providing a thorough understanding of the tool. Hands-on experience. Many online training programs, including those from ProExcellency, include practical exercises and labs that allow you to gain hands-on experience with Insight IDR, reinforcing theoretical knowledge with practical skills. Flexible learning options. Online training offers flexibility in terms of timing and pace, allowing you to learn at your own speed and on your own schedule, which is especially beneficial if you have a busy work schedule. Certifications and continuing education. ProExcellency may offer certification preparation or continuing education credits that can enhance your professional credentials and keep you up to date with the latest industry standards. Support and resources. ProExcellency typically provides additional resources such as access to recorded sessions, supplementary materials, and support forums to assist you in your learning journey. Reputation and reviews. ProExcellency's reputation and positive reviews from past students can give you confidence in the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.